Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add Help Me Write to your Gmail account. First, open your web browser and go to the Workspace Labs. This will take you to the Google Workspace Labs sign-up page. Sign in with your Google account, scroll down, accept the customer acknowledgement terms and click Submit. Once done, you will see a message saying, "Success, you are in." Now you have access to Workspace Labs. Next, open your Gmail account and refresh the page. You should see a welcome message from Workspace Labs. Click Got it. Now click the Compose button to start a new email. You will see the Help Me Write option in the toolbar. Click it and type your prompt. The tool will create a draft for you. You can also refine your text using different modes like formalize, elaborate, or shorten. It also works in Google Docs. Just open a document and use the Help Me Write button to generate content instantly. Thanks for watching.